The Prada sunglasses come in this really nice navy blue box. With your sunglasses, you do get a microfiber cloth to clean your lenses and then some literature. You get a hard case with your Prada sunglasses. The texture on the case mimics the Saffiano leather that Prada is so famous for using in its products. On the inside, the case is lined with a velvet-like material, very plush and luxe. This case also features a magnetic closure. Now, these Prada sunglasses definitely play into that geometric trend in eyewear. This style takes it one step further, adding color blocking with these neon strips. Now, if you like the geometric shape of these sunglasses but not necessarily the neon colors, it also comes in a more conservative colorway. The frame is very minimalistic and sleek. It's all done in a wire frame. The lenses are non-polarized and done in a dark gray. Alright, so I'm going to go over the measurements. The lens width is 61 millimeters, the nose bridge is 13 millimeters, and the temples are 140 millimeters long. And for those of you who like seeing them on, this is what they look like.